Greetings and welcome to your desired automobile. Reports about the existence of the most recent iteration of the BMW X3 have emerged since the previous year. This is evidenced by the espionage photographs captured during the vehicle's on-road trials at the Nurbuging Circuit. Despite being introduced in 2017, the X3 has maintained its popularity. A total of 350,000 units of this car were ordered in the previous year. The 2025 BMW is an electric vehicle. The car's exterior will undergo contemporary modifications, including a reduced body size, headlights, and an enlarged double-kidney grille that is characteristic of BMW. The interior will feature a futuristic design and will be equipped with the latest iDrive system, which runs on Android Automotive OS. This system provides enhanced connection, navigation, and entertainment features. The most recent iteration of the BMW. The BMW X3 utilizes cutting-edge Gen 6 battery technology, enabling the vehicle to achieve a range of 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. Thanks to its numerous modifications and technical advancements, the 2025 BMW X3 will maintain its position as a top contender in the luxury SUV market, offering a seamless blend of elegance and high performance. Additionally, another prototype was observed featuring broader tires and a 4-exhaust system. This may not be a completely refined X3M, but rather a version with enhanced performance under the M Performance label. It is expected that the more athletic version of the X3 will change its present M40i name to the M50i name. The BMW X3 also provides a detailed examination of the rear lights, which exhibit a more understated design that deviates from the prevailing light bar trend. The forthcoming model will exhibit a little increase in size and weight, while also incorporating an entirely new interior design. Although the exterior will remain same, the interior of the cabin will undergo significant modifications. BMW will integrate its most recent infotainment system while removing the majority of conventional buttons. Fortunately, the rotary knob has been retained, despite its absence in other versions equipped with iDrive 9. Indeed, the X3 will be the inaugural BMW model to have iDrive 9, along with a distinct dial for managing the infotainment system. These features are not available on the X1 and X2 crossovers or the 2 Series Active Tourer minivan. It appears that BMW has produced another successful product. The X3 will once again appeal to a broad range of consumers with its options for petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The forthcoming new E-Class 9.3 electric crossover, slated for a 2025 release, will be distinct from the car-based X3 vehicle. The internal combustion engine, ICE, and electric vehicle, EV, models are anticipated to assist the brand in sustaining a robust sales trajectory.
Thanks for watching.